Hi! In front of me is REALME C17 and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Password Manager. Firstly, just open Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Following that, just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Then click on Edit button right next to the delayed one and change wherever you wish to. Then click on Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!